Item number 2, consider approving an agreement between Mesa County and HDR Engineering, Inc. in the amount of $1,096,873.92 for the preliminary design of Orchard Avenue, E&a-half Road segments 2 and 3. Laura Page, Engineering Division.
Good morning,
Division Director.
Good morning, Commissioners. Laura Page, Engineering Division Director. This contract is to continue the design for the Orchard Avenue, also known as the E&a-half project that we have the build grant on. This will advance the conceptual design that we had previously completed and take it through preliminary design, and also provide the NEPA or environmental clearances that are required for this grant. It will include segments 2 and 3. Segment 2 goes from 29.5 to the west side of 30 Road and includes the canal, the bridge over the Grand Valley Canal. And then segment 3. Segment 2 then goes from the west side of 30 Road back to Hoover Road, where we are currently under construction on phase 1. And then plus there's a small segment of sidewalk that was on the east side of Lewis Wash to Warrior Way that we need to finish up the design and right-of-way acquisitions on that one too. So this will move that contract forward with HDR, and once we start getting that preliminary design finished, then we will be moving forward with final design and construction. I'd be happy to answer any questions.
Any questions or comments on this item, Commissioners?
Thanks, Laura. Is this funded by the grant we received on
Yes.
this project? Yeah.
Yep,
And
yes.
remind me the match on that grant.
It turned out, I think it was like about $3 million from the county, a little over $1 million from our state for Vitalizing Main Street grant. It wasn't quite a clean split. It's like normal 80-20. So the grant is a little over $21 million, and we're providing that, or $20 million somewhere on there, and we're providing $3 million, and then the state $1 million. And that is all including the construction that is currently going on phase 1 too.
Okay, and do we have the $21 million in a bank account, or we have to build a grant after we?
We'll build the grant monthly as we proceed.
Okay, thank you, Laura.
Laura, I know we took a tour of this project earlier in the spring, so I'm quite familiar with the area. Remind me with the challenges, is there going to be a roundabout at that intersection where you have the school? There was 2 schools that were involved. You had Central and then the private school.
There's the roundabout going in at 30 Road. That's under construction right now. And then at 31 Road. At 30 Road, that intersection will remain stop controlled as it is. We'll be looking at doing maybe some improvements, whatever's needed on the signal or turn lanes. And then at 29.5, we'll look at possible improvements to that signalized intersection too. So.
Okay. Thank you for the clarification on that.
You're welcome.
Okay, I don't have any further questions. All right, does anyone in the audience have any questions or comments on this item? Seeing none, I will entertain a motion to approve the item as published.
So moved.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye, motion carries 3-0.